Jen Bourne and I run a social enterprise called Solutions for the Planet. We work with thousands of 11 to 14-year-olds every year across the UK in our Big Ideas programme. These young people come up with big ideas to help solve environmental issues that they think are really important in their local communities and the wider world. They work with mentors from businesses over the course of an academic year to bring their big ideas to life. The ideas that you are about to see are all regional finalists in our Big Ideas competition 2020 and have, even more incredibly, been developed through lockdown by teams of young people working together from home. The Big Ideas today are connected to the theme of nature, oceans and water. Enjoy.
Hedgehogs die because farmers cut down hedges and trees, their natural habitat, therefore leaving them with nowhere else to live. They also die because gardeners and farmers use a substance called pesticide, which then kills insects, and when the insects die, the hedgehogs have nothing else to eat, so they die of starvation. We need to save them because they help our ecosystem by eating soil invertebrates like slugs, snails and worms. Slugs, snails and worms and soil invertebrates eat our crops and ruin them. So with the hedgehogs eating them, that helps our crops grow to be healthy. Thank you for listening.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I just love Tico because it's so simple, using something we all have, but so effective, and using something that we have in infinite supply, water. At Tico, we use sustainable and innovative ideas to get energy from the sea to charging someone's phone. We believe that clean, green energy is right on our doorstep, and we don't have to harm a single aspect of the environment in transporting it anywhere across England, the world. We just need to use this energy, and I speak on behalf of the whole Tico team, and we all just have this vision that clean green energy is right here. We are an island. We have water surrounding our entire shores, an infinite energy source, and we don't use it. But we can use it, because we believe that we are the path to clean, green energy, innovative for all.
Hi, we are EAP Solar Solutions, and we're here today to present our big idea to you to help you gain a deep understanding of why coral reefs are so important to us and a necessity to the global ecosystem.
The issue we are tackling is the coral reefs are bleaching due to corals spending longer periods than average in warmer water. This stress is causing the symbiotic algae to be expelled. This then causes the coral's photosynthetic pigments to be harmed, resulting in the coral appearing white. This then means the coral cannot recover properly due to the buildup of carbonic acid in the ocean. People need to realize if the coral dies, lots of other creatures who depend on it will be affected, and this will have a knock-on effect in us. Our solution is to build a device that floats around and deposits calcium carbonate to neutralize the carbonic acid, therefore lowering the acidity of the ocean, allowing the coral to heal and continue to grow.
Our machine Sol would be powered by a transparent floating sunrush, which will rotate depending on the angle of the sun. That will mean it would not affect any sea life, as the panels would not create a shadow. The power from the solar panels will be used to power a motor, which allows us to release calcium carbonate and move the boat. Also, the motor will be extremely quiet and therefore won't affect communication between animals in the reef. Our project is achievable because calcium carbonate is a readily available mineral. A simple reaction will neutralize carbonic gas and have the overall effect of reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. We start our work in Australia, the home of the biggest coral reef in the world, where it has over 2 million tourists each year. The reef is bigger than the UK, Holland and Switzerland combined. It is beneficial because it will help with climate change, maintaining the biodiversity of the coral reefs. We keep the reef's biodiversity by allowing it to flourish as we are repairing coral. The home to many creatures like the angelfish and the Banggai cardinalfish. They have more biodiversity than rainforests, so we must protect them. The chemical reaction happening in the ocean will constantly draw in CO2 from the atmosphere and thus overall reduce the effect of this key greenhouse gas.
Our unique selling point is that we're using transparent solar panels, which have not been made before and will be made from architectural glass. This is similar to the process of photosynthesis, which is a normal process for the ocean as the corals undergo it. We are very passionate about saving the coral reefs because they make up 30% of the world's oxygen and no one is putting enough effort in to save them. The coral reefs have more biodiversity than the rainforest, but still people are leaving the fact that they are dying. The Great Barrier Reef was one of the 7 wonders of the world and also named a World Heritage Site, and that is why we have chosen to save them and restore them back to their full glory.
Plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a global issue which is impoverishing our globe with more than 8 million macro and micro pieces of plastic making their way into our oceans every day. More than 100,000 of marine animals are wiped out because of our carelessness every year. 300 million tons of plastic are produced every year. Of this amount, only 14 to 21% is recycled. The plastic that we don't recycle goes to landfills to be dumped, to be worn away, to be left there for more than 500 years, or even dumped on the shores of our beaches illegally to be washed away into our oceans by destructive waves. We are the reason. We, the inhabitants of this globe, this earth, are the sole reason behind the issue of plastic pollution in our ocean. We are the reason behind hundreds of thousands of marine animals dying each year. We are the reason behind the changing face of our globe. So we must take action. To contribute to saving our globe, the UV Ghosts have created a big idea which needs your vital support. The UV Disguiser will be designed and created with your support to save our marine life, to save our ocean, to save our planet, to save our globe, our earth, and ultimately save us. If the earth gives us everything we need, it gives us ample requirements. It is our duty to keep it clean and healthy because it starts with us and ends with us too. So, to support us, please message the following email: uvdisguiser@gmail.com. So, to save our ocean, let's contribute and let's save the oceans, our marine life, our earth in the ways we can.
I hope you're feeling inspired. I certainly am. Now, our vision statement. At Solutions for the Planet, we want to be part of creating a world where every young person has the knowledge, skills, ambition, and motivation to turn hope into action for the benefit of people and the planet. We ask the audience today, that's all of you, to pledge to be positive and purposeful. Have hope for a better future and turn that hope into action for a better world. Every little action helps. And we call on our world leaders to invest in environmental enterprise education programs that complement the incredible work done by teachers and really listen to the amazingly achievable, brilliantly beneficial, credible and creative big ideas of young people like the ones we've heard from today. Thank you.